Do you want to grow your money faster in 2025? Here are the top 3 apps that can actually help you save, invest, and multiply your income. App 1. First app, Acorns. It automatically invests your spare change every time you spend money. For example, if you buy coffee for $2.70, Acorns invests the remaining 30 cents. Over time, that small change grows into big money. App 2. Second app, Robinhood. This app makes stock market investing super simple for beginners. You can buy and sell stocks with 0 commission fees, even if you start with just $50. It teaches you how investing really works. App 3. Third app, Mint. It's the best free budgeting app. Mint tracks your income, expenses, bills, and gives you smart suggestions on how to save more. It's like having a personal finance coach in your pocket. These 3 apps can grow your money and build financial freedom step by step. Download them today and follow me for more finance hacks that work.